What's up, everybody? TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And today, we've got some new arrivals for you from Case. Before we get started, though, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell so you will know when we bring you all the new products and show you really cool knives and collectibles like these. Now, without further ado, let's light that stag up. So a little bit of a hint right there. You're going to see some stag bone on a couple of these that are being released from Case right now. And these are some really, really cool knives. Really cool patterns, for one. And also a couple of collectibles right here as well. So we're going to dive right in. The first one we're going to talk about is this beautiful Case white smooth synthetic Stockman. And I'm really, really digging this one. Now, we're going to show that one up close right there. And, oh my goodness, you'll notice something. And I have been told that I was not being cautious enough with the way I was holding some of those traditional folders. And there were some people that didn't believe that there are plastic pieces that you can put in there to keep the blades from closing on your fingers. Well, there it is. Right there. So I can hold that one completely safe, just like that. And it has a plastic piece. So this is the Case White Smooth Synthetic Stockman, and it features the mirror polished True Sharp surgical steel clip point, sheep's foot, and spay blade. And the handles are white smooth synthetic with brass pins and liners, nickel silver bolsters, and the Case Stars and Stripes shield right there. It is 3.625 inches closed, weighs in at 2.5 ounces, and made in Bradford, Pennsylvania, right here in the USA. Regularly $69.99. Right now it is on sale for $49.99 online, but it is normally $69.99. So limited time on that if you want to get your hands on that white, smooth, synthetic Stockman right there. You want to go ahead and do it. And this is going to be a great Father's Day present. This is a great gift for anyone out there who likes to collect Case knives. It's going to come in a really nice collectible Case box. Let's actually take a look at that. I'm going to put this knife back in the box right now. And this thing is absolutely beautiful. So you got the presentation box right there. And you got the word from Case right there as well on the lid. That thing closes down, and it's nice and beautiful. Really love that thing, and that's a great Father's Day present, birthday present, or even if you want to go ahead and start Christmas shopping. Why not? I know plenty of people that actually go ahead and get their Christmas shopping done early in the year. I'm not one of them. I should be. I wish I was. I would stress a lot less, but it is what it is. Here we are. Now, we've got a couple of others right here, too. A couple of mini Copperheads that are coming out right now. And we're talking stag, baby. These are stag bone, genuine stag bone handles. Let's take a look at that up close right there. So, this Case genuine stag mini Copperhead comes in at $93.99, and it is a wonderful collectible. A lot of people love these mini versions. I do as well, especially with the stag bone. I think that's beautiful. I think it's an awesome option right there and very difficult to come by and get your hands on. Now, this one features the mirror polished True Sharp surgical steel Wharncliffe and pin blades with nail nicks. The handles are genuine stag with brass pins and liners, nickel silver bolsters and shield. And it is 3.125 inches closed, weighing in at just 1.2 ounces. Got that. It's going to be an 8-dot tang stamp right there. And this is going to be a great little collectible with those stag handles. Absolutely love that knife. Up next is more stag, baby. That's right. Let's take a look at this second mini Copperhead up close. Now, this is the Case Red Stag Mini Copperhead right there, and you'll see the red tint on that stag bone. This one comes in at $93.99 as well and features mirror polish, true sharp surgical steel, clip point, and pin blades with nail nicks. The handles are red stag with brass pins and liners and nickel silver bolsters and shield. It is 3.125 inches closed and weighs in at 1.2 ounces as well. So beautiful, beautiful stag bone options right there from Case in those mini copperheads. One with the genuine stag and Warncliffe main blade, one with the red stag and clip point main blade, and then of course that white smooth synthetic right there. That is absolutely beautiful in that Stockman with the stars and stripes shield on it. Great options right there from Case, and we are super excited, and you can get them right here. All you got to do is click the link in the description below. They are available now. And remember, folks, if it cuts like Case Stag Bone, then we carry